Let's upgrade this chicken coop in Jamaica. We spent roughly 263,000 Jamaican on materials, which was around 1,753 US, and it took us about 3 days to build. We chose to build an 8 by 16 foot coop with a partition in the middle, one side for poultry and the other for eggs. Let me be clear, I am afraid of chickens and I have no business being in a coop. But my husband and I have a system, and whatever he builds, I maintain. So here we are building the Taj Mahal of chicken coops. And even though I'm afraid of some flightless birds, I convinced myself I was about this life. I was gonna be a fowl fanatic one way or another. I was in that coop handling business, putting down sand, filling up water, just getting everything ready. I picked those fluff balls up with my hand, no glove, and faced my fears. Please ignore the grain of booty. Those disrespectful dreams have been fired since this video. And just when I thought, yes girl, you got this, I lost my balance and smushed that little fella. My husband locked me in there so I could steal my guilt. I mean, these are meat birds, so they were going to get eliminated eventually, but the shame I felt. Anyways, here's the coop. She got a little damage in the storm, but I think she turned out pretty cute. What do y'all think?